In front of me is iPad mini 4, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select general, and then click on date and time. And here, as you can here notice, it's set automatically. So once you switch it off, you will be able to set the date and time manually by yourself. So to change date, just mark on the current one, and now you can smoothly change it. So let me pick August 2022, it can be 28th of August, and then a bit lower you've got time, so just mark it. And now you can enter, so it can be 5:20. And that's it, now just mark it here. And it is set, so if you'll go back, you'll be able to notice that this brand new date and time is set up. So you can smoothly change it whenever you want to. You can also manage time zone, so to change it, just mark time zone. And here provide the one that you would like to apply. And that's it. Then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock by using the switcher. This is how you can change it. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just mark the switcher, and from now on it will be set up automatically. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.